Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Leica mobile SIM card in Germany. First, open your browser and search for Leica Mobile SIM Activation Germany. Go to the official Leica Mobile Germany website and click Register your SIM card online. On the next page, tap Register SIM. Then tap Register Now. Then choose New Customer. Now, enter your Leica mobile phone number and the last 4 digits of your ICC ID that's printed on your SIM card. Next, select your language. Then tap Continue. Next, upload your ID documents, fill in your personal details and address, and accept the terms and conditions. Once you complete these steps, your Leica mobile SIM card will be successfully activated and ready to use. And that's it. That's how to activate your Leica mobile SIM card in Germany. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.